All right, guys, you got the key cut. I'm sorry. Waiting for the delay. We're doing something a little different today. We are doing tire repair. I figure we're going to start doing how-to videos in the shop instead of just seeing all the shenaniganery that goes on. We have a GoPro on, so your point of view will be mine. So as I turn my head, you will see what I see. This tire here has a nail right there. If you were in a shop outside of what I do, you would sell the customer a new tire, because normally that is a non-repairable spot. So we're going to remove the offending object, and of course that won't come out with that. This is my first thing I'm doing today here, so I ain't got my shit together yet. Baby's really in there. Such a little thing can cause such a big problem. Now we're going to take the drill. Drill a hole. Now you're probably wondering, why are we drilling a hole? So you have to drill a hole to repair the tire. And fair warning, if you don't like noise, turn off the video because it's gonna get loud. Fucking battery just died. Really? Now, this is good that this happens. If you ever get a tire stuck, put one lug nut on, get your dead blow hammer, hit it like it owes you money. And you get it off. That's how you get these off. Take the tire with you over to the tire machine. Now, this shows a couple of different things here. I'm gonna show how to break down the tire, how to repair a tire, and how to remount. Now, I'm not gonna rebalance this, so we're gonna put a mark right where the stem is. So that when we go to remount the tire, we're gonna put it right back there. And grab our air hose because we will need this. Just put that over there for now. All right, now we're gonna break it down. Your tire sensor is right under here. So we're going to keep the sensor away from the arm that breaks down the tire. Flip it over. Okay, we're taking off the tire. Stem goes under the arm. Grab your bar, put it under there, and just pull up. Rotate. All right, this tire's never been off this rim. Okay. Now, this is your inside plug patch. This is a permanent repair. These don't fall out. A plug normally fails. It's not a permanent repair. It's enough to get you off the side of the road. But take that. Grab your glue. It's my pliers. And we're going to now just make sure that's the right hole. It is. I want you to take our glue, apply it here, take your plug patch, find the hole, white dot. It's right there. Hold on. Oop. Wow. There you go. It's done. That's how you repair a tire. So, take this back over here and yeah, I know that was completely wrong, but that is not. This rim is not sitting flush for some strange reason.